Hi, I'm Sean. This is Allie. We're with Sodium Dental, and we're going to be launching a new channel to our already existing YouTube channel. And it's going to be a podcast called Dental Tech Chat. And what we intend to do with the podcast, we're going to go ahead and give you an idea of right here. So, Allie, are we going to have guests?
Yes, we're going to have guests. We're going to be inviting dentists onto our show, and we're really excited to be hearing all their different viewpoints on their technology they're using in their practice.
All right. And we kind of agreed upon like what we're going to do is we're going to ask every guest of the show our three questions that we think are really important and that we think will give people the most information in general and also help us find some random information out there that we might not even be looking for. So what are our three questions?
Yeah, so number one is going to be diamond in the rough. It's what product did you guys buy that no one else seems to know about that has had a big advantage to your practice? Number two is no risk, no reward. So what was your big investment of time and money and technology that paid off? And number three is the flop. What did you buy into that was a waste of time and money?
All right. And then what we'll do is after each interview, obviously, the podcast will go up on our YouTube channel. We're going to put it out to Spotify and if you like to listen versus watch and so on and so forth, whatever media you like. And also, we'll probably go ahead and catalog our diamonds, our flops, and our no risk, no rewards on our website. So you can get a quick reference as to what products made the list and maybe a little summary as to why that customer in general felt like they made that particular category. So we're really excited about it. We've already got a lot of guests lined up. There's just a lot of dentists out there that are happy to share their experience, help people learn about some things so that everyone doesn't have to make the same investment to learn the same lessons. So, Allie, I appreciate you taking the time so we can go ahead and launch this podcast.
We're looking forward to it. Thank you so much.